Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to get Google Form URL link. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Google Form. So having get to your Google Form, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top right here. So click on that, it's take you right here. Now, for you to get your URL link that you can share to anyone, what you need to do is to simply click on Get Prefill Link. So click on that, then it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then you have Get Link right here. Simply click on Get Link, and then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Copy Link right here. And with that, you can share the link with anybody that you want them to connect with the form and fill up the form. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to get your Google Form URL link. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.